What's up, chat? Thank you. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? Let me come on to the comments. What's the story, guys? What's the story? How's everyone doing? Come on to the comments. Whoppa, baby. I seen what's up, my G. Kali Uncrowned. What's the story, my bro? I'm good, Brandon. How you, my bro? How you keeping? How's the week? How's the week been so far? How am I feeling? A bit fluish. Yeah, but not too bad, not too bad. Just tired. But we're ready to operate, my bro. We're ready to operate. Let's see what we can't see. I was looking at gold for potential sells, but something put me a bit off, so I'm gonna leave that on for now. But we could get buys here. That's how much you good? You know why? It's like very sensitive, the mouse.
Very quick, man.
Like, yeah, why? Please check it for me.
Not too tech savvy, man. But try. Screen is showing us this one, okay.
I think it's a mouse setting. Always bless my G. Taking time with the mentorship materials, watching. Away, yeah, Brandon. You must let me know as soon as you're ready, bro, for that one-on-one and we operate. Oh, there we go. Mouse speed. Maybe drop it a little bit. Let's try. Is it better?
It's better.
Let me feel.
Was not the usual
much
one.
better. It's yeah, a lot better. Thank you. Can I just close it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Thanks, bro. So yeah, guys, I think we're gonna get some nice buys on GJ, guys. Looking at this now, on the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see this nice bullish structure, lots and lots of bullish momentum as well on the 4-hour. Okay, I'm using this as my low and that as my high. And if I do that, you'll see we got a nice. This as the low, my bad, and that as the high. You'll see price is currently just tapped into the 61.8 area. So if this current 4-hour close about the 2157.50, these are nice buys. So we need this 4-hour, which is this 1-hour close now that's about to come up in the next hour. If it closes above this level of support, it's a very nice buy. So our trade looks something like so. So that is definitely something we can take. Just before I jump off stream, I'll tell you guys to enter. But just remind me. Our trade looks something like this. Like that. So we're basically going to anticipate that this most likely will be the new higher low. And the market's going to push up and create a new high, right? Because structure-wise, that's what price is doing, right? Price is creating low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So that's what we're potentially waiting for. But I'll tell you guys when to enter on this, not now. Kali, when is the drag race, bro? Yo, I'm here now. I could have done it today, but I wasn't in Joburg. I only got back to Joburg last night, so I didn't do sessions with my students and stuff. So today I'm not gonna go out. I'm just gonna chill at home and just catch up on sessions with students. So unfortunately, can't be today, but anytime, bro. Tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. There's some events happening at the race Rockway on Saturday, so I'm gonna go there for that. So maybe then. Sounds like a gaming mouse. I think it is, eh? I think it is. I don't know. I don't know. How much for my mentorship? It's 7,500, my bro. Are we doing FOMC tonight? So, guys, very, very important, guys. A lot of you guys get confused with FOMC and FOMC meeting minutes. Meeting minutes is not where you're going to see those huge moves that we see. Like, for example, the ones we see for NFP, the ones we see for CPI and stuff like that. Meeting minutes is boring. It doesn't really move, right? Where you see that crazy move is the FOMC statement, right? So today we're not gonna see crazy moves because I'm sure it's meeting minutes today. Can someone just double check for me? Please, can someone just double check for me if FOMC today is if it says meeting minutes or if it says statement. If it says statement, then it will be big, but I doubt it's statement today. Let me check for you guys. So where I go and see, I go to Forex Factory. So you just go to Google, you type Forex Factory, and then you see there. So you go Forex Factory, you go to calendar, and then it shows you everything here. Okay, so then you go all the way to today's Wednesday. Yeah, so if you guys have a look here, you guys can see it says meeting minutes. So it's not going to be a crazy move. I doubt it's going to be. Well, it can be, but 90% of the time, it hardly ever moves. 90% of the time, it hardly ever moves. So today will be boring. Even Sash messaged me now. Yeah. It's not a statement. When it says statement, that's when it's crazy. What I want to do is I want to trade statement live on stream. So when the statement, I don't know, I'm not sure when it will be. I must just double check. But when it is the statement, I want to do it live on stream, like how we do for NFP and PPI and stuff. And this month, I've won all news events, bruh. So it's a good run. It's a good run. It will move. You think it's gonna move? Eh, I don't think so, bruh. A lot of the times it doesn't move, eh? A lot of the times the meeting minutes don't move. Check gold. So let me tell you what I was looking at on gold. I was actually looking for sales. In fact, I just messaged my community not too long ago when I was on my way here. I was actually looking for sales, but I wanted to see price close underneath that level of resistance of 4,350, right? Which it hasn't done. I was looking at it like this. Where was this? I was looking at it like so. On the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, you guys can see we are bearish, right? Price is creating lower lows and lower highs. There's a high, there's a low, there's a lower high, there's a lower low, right? And if I use my FOB from this high to that low, you'll see price is within that hot zone, right? So this could just be creating a wick to the upside for it to come down. But I wouldn't enter where price is currently. I wanted to enter underneath that level of resistance. So I was actually waiting for this for 1 hour. Had it closed underneath that level of 4,350, I would have jumped in a sell. But now that it's above a support, I'm going to wait it out. I'm going to wait it out. And also that 2-hour time frame as well, you can see that just closed now. It's very, very bullish. Lots of bullish momentum has come into the market. So I'm going to wait it out for now. I wouldn't buy where it is because overall it does look bearish based on the time frame I just went over. And there is bearish momentum coming down, as you guys can see. But based on this 2-hour time frame, there is some bullish momentum coming into the market. So I'm chilling for now on this. We can still switch and come back to the downside. But I need to see that slowdown of this bullish momentum that pushed up. I need to see a slowdown of that before considering taking a sell. Also got another level here. Also got that other level. This could just be creating a wick though. This could just be creating a wick. But as I said, nah, not for me now. We need to see it slow down before we're looking to jump in for anything on this. Minutes don't move. Yes, sir. Gali, is it safe to assume gold created a support structure on 4,325? Yep. There is some sort of support here, bro. There is some sort of support here, which is why we see price tapped into it and we can see it starting to push the upside. But it's not enough for us to take a buy just yet. Right? Also, guys, if you look at gold structure carefully, right? If you look at gold structure very, very carefully, right? You can see this is what price was doing. There was a low, there was a high, there was a higher low, there was a higher high, there was a higher low, there was a higher high. Price then came down and broke structure.
Whoppa, baby.
Whoppa, baby.
What do you say, my blood?
Good, my G. Price created a lower low. Price then pushed up and created a lower high. So technically, this should be going down to go and create a lower low. Right? I'm not saying that's definitely going to happen, but that's what price has shown us based on structure. So be very, very, very careful just buying off price tapping into this level here. I'm pushing all the way back to the upside. For now, I'm bearish on this for now. I'll see how this 4 hour closes, but for now, I'm still bearish. I'm not going to consider buying anytime soon on this. Let me know if it makes sense in the chat. Does the package for your mentorship work and what does it include? So, it includes access to my community.
My G, I missed you.
What's up, you bro?
Why does it feel like you were long gone, bro?
I was here Thursday, bro.
Yeah, Thursday, Friday. Okay, I didn't see the weekend. Saturday,
Only Monday
Sunday,
and Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday, it's 5 days. It's almost a whole week, bro.
Can I have another Sprite, please?
Say this.
Thank you, my brother.
You want Sprite?
Yes, Sprite. Yeah, so the mentorship is basically 7.5. You get access to my community. When you access my community, I ask you to watch some pre-recorded videos where I explain my strategy in detail. So it's 5 videos that you watch. The reason you watch just to have an overall understanding of the tools I use when I'm trading. Once you've watched those 5 videos, you then schedule your one-on-one Zoom call with me, where I basically go over everything that you've watched over, make sure you are applying it correctly, correct you where you need to be corrected. And then, yeah, you schedule that based on your availability. So if you're available, I don't know, at Thursday at 7 p.m., you just tell me you want to book a session at 7 p.m. on Thursday. I send you the Zoom link and we jump on it. And then we also have weekly meetings, like we're having one tonight at 8 p.m., where it's a group session. We go over charts, ask questions. Basically covers everything, bruh. There's nothing that you'll ask me and I'll say no for, you know. So if you need help with anything, you just ask me then. We jump on the Zoom call and we operate. My bro, may you please check GBP USD. Let's check. Also bullish, bruh. Very, very bullish on GBP USD. I actually went over this setup with you guys, right? Last week. Before NFP and was it before NFP and them? Yeah. High, higher, low, higher, high. Even those that did the Durban crew that are joining those live sessions, you guys, I remember I went over these as well. There's a low, there's a high price. Didn't come into my hot zone, but it's on its way to create a higher high. I'll only be looking out for buys on this, bro. Only buys on this here. Let's see Euro CAD for you. Let me just go quickly onto this here quickly. I just want to see what it's doing. Perfect. See, it's looking nice, guys. I just wanted to stay around it. It mustn't move too much. It must just stay around here for now so we can get that nice entry. Like that. Then we operate those buys. Tell us why it's so expensive. The reason why it's so expensive is because I'm doing sessions one-on-one with you, bro. Not just doing things where I'm having one session for everyone. And just sending that one session out for you guys for the week. No, it's one-on-one based on your own availability. And I don't cap you in terms of the lessons. So some people need more lessons than others, you understand? So for me to take my own time to send you a link, find out what you're doing, looking at your charts, correcting your charts where you need to be corrected. I can't do it for any cheaper than that, bro. It takes a lot of my time as well and my dedication as well. So that's the reason why it's expensive. And I know it's not cheap. I know it's not cheap. So it's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. Let's check US 30. It is lots of bearish momentum on US 30 currently. Price is creating lower lows and lower highs. This could be a lower high for you to push down. One second, let me check US 30 on my phone. Because my chart's already set up there, I think. Okay, it's not. 375. Thank you. Just be careful on US 30. It does look like it's bearish, but this is a very strong level of support. These areas are a strong level of support here. Even if you have a look here, you can see how the price came, tapped in here, pushed back up. Momentum wise, it should break because price is bearish, so the support should break. But where it is currently, I wouldn't consider taking anything just yet. I'd actually wait for maybe price. See, even here, the strong level. This whole level here is very, very, very strong. So it can act as a resistance, but I think I'd wait for this 4 hour or 2 hour close. Yeah, the 2 hour close, because if you look at the previous 2 hour, look at how bullish it is. So for me to take a sell here would be very, very, very risky, right? Because it's lots of bullish momentum still. I want to see that slow down. So for example, if you see there's a big bullish candle, there's that slow down of that bullish momentum, and then it's sold. So that's what I'll potentially want to see. There's a big bullish candle. I want to see it slow down first, and then I'd look for a potential sell. But for now, I wouldn't go and open a trade right now based on what I'm seeing currently. Let me know what you guys think. What you guys think about this? Can you share the FUB settings? No, just take a screenshot of it, please. There you go. I have 3,000 today. 3,000 for what, bro? Is the mentorship till you master the strategy? Yes, G. I don't kick you out of the mentorship and all of that nonsense, bruh. It's lifetime mentorship. So as long as I'm teaching, as long as I'm in selling services, I will teach you. I do understand that life happens, bruh. I have students that I'm teaching that joined me maybe 4 years ago, bruh. And of course, life happened. They stopped trading for whatever reason, or they never even start trading, and I still assist them up till now, bruh. I don't just cancel and close this group and open another group. I don't operate like that. There's one group, and I'll operate from there strictly. If you're on the group, you're on the group. You won't pay me today, then tomorrow I'll open a whole new group and then you're out of the group. No, I don't do business like that, bro. People save up a lot of money and a lot of sacrifice to join my mentorship and stuff like that. So I can't just take that for granted and do my own things for my own greed. I don't move like that, my bro. 3,000 for mentorship. Hey, no, bro, I can't do that, my G. I can't do that. I'm sorry, brother. What just happened on the DXL? Let's check. Dollar's falling, bro. Dollar's falling. Dollar's been falling. Nothing. Dollar's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Based on the price action. Price creating clean lower lows and lower highs, guys. This is going to continue pushing to the downside. This most likely is a lower low. It's going to push down and create. Sorry, this most likely is a lower high. It's going to push down and create a lower low. That's why you're finding your GBP USD is going up. Your Euro USD should be going up as well. Let me check Euro USD. I think we're going to get some nice currency trades, guys. Yep. Who remembers this? Who's on the Durban group? If you're in the Durban group, just comment me in the chat. Comment me in the chat if you're in the Durban group. My mentorship group, yeah, you guys know it. But those that are in the Durban group, let me know in the chat. I'll check Niaz 100 in a bit. Once he saw the nigga said he smoked with the drugs. Yeah, I know. Even now, I don't know how to launch properly, bro. So it wasn't in launch. I wasn't in launch. It wasn't even in sports mode. I was still trying to figure it out. But he was running, what's it called? Racing through that stuff. I'll chop him, don't stress. I will chop him. Me. Remember last week? Or was it last week? You joking, baby? I'll have that. Thank you, my love. That's so kind of you. So you guys remember I said, guys, this is where price was. This was NFP candle. But I'm waiting for price to come to the 250 level of support and the psychological level. And remember I said, as long as price does not break below that point, it's still bullish. So even if price comes to that point, it's still bullish and can push up and create a higher high. And that's exactly what price has been doing. Creating higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, equal higher low, higher high. Now this most likely is going to be the new higher low, and price is going to push up and create a higher high. Does it make sense? If you're in the Durban group, let me know if that makes sense or not. What's your opinion on gold? What's your opinion about today gold news? What's gold news, bro? I'm not sure what gold news you're referring to, G. Yo, epic slide. I'm not sure what gold news you're speaking about, bro. According to DAX, NAS should buy. Yes, it should, bro, because it's saying it's bearish. So yes, it should. But look at the momentum. There's lots of bearish momentum, bro, which is a bit scary, dog. But technically, if you look at NAS, right? That's a high. That's the low. This is the last low. Because price hasn't broke this. You can't say this is a high. So that's the high. So technically, it is still bullish. It's still bullish. This could just be the retracement. This could just be the retracement. Is a psychological level here. Where's my 500? My 500 is a bit higher, eh? My 500 is around here. Let's see. My 500 is around. I think this 4 hour will give us a good indication of what's really going down. On the 1 hour, you'll see Nasdaq has broken bearish structure. 1 hour, Nasdaq has broken bearish structures. That's very, very interesting, guys. Even on the 30-minute, you'll see. Because their structure here, Nasdaq is coming down, creating these lower lows and lower highs. Now, if you look at what happened now, we've broken that lower high and we've created a higher high. So we could see a change of direction on Nasdaq, and we could start to see it starting to push to the upside. What you want to see if that does happen is you want to see nice structure being created like so. And then that's when you want to try and jump on. Find a level of support, use your FIRB, find a psychological level, and then you buy from there and you just target the next higher high. Simple and easy. Simple and easy. Not too hard. But for now, I think I'll just wait it out. But I'm sure I can get a trade on NAS later on today. Let's see what we can't see later. Because I do see it was creating nice bearish structure. Very clean bearish structure. So let's hope it can continue that to the upside. What's your opinion about today gold news? Epic slide. I don't know what gold news you're talking about, bro. What gold news are you talking about, G? I'm not sure. Will you be trading gold now at 11? If gold closes below my level of resistance, I will. Where's gold? If gold closes underneath this resistance, I will. If it doesn't, I'm going to wait it out because dollar is bearish, so we could start to see this push to the upside. As I said, I'm looking at the previous 2-hour candle. Overall, we were very, very bearish on gold. But if you have a look at what's happening now, you'll see there's lots of bullish momentum coming into the market. Hence why I have to wait it out because look at this huge bullish candle. Now they just came into the market. I need to see a slowdown of that if I want to continue taking sales on this, right? So if I don't see that, I can't take the trade just yet because we could see price starting to push to the upside again, right? Because it did tap into to 4,325, right? So I need to wait. I need to wait it out. I can't take a buy here because technically it's still bearish on the lower time frame. I can't take a sell because it's there's still a lot of bullish momentum from that previous 2-hour candle. So I'm stuck in the center now. I need to wait it out. I need to see the slowdown of that bullish momentum and price come underneath the resistance to take a sell, or I need to see bearish structure on my lower time frame being broken so I can take buys and look out for buying opportunities. Where it is currently, it can do anything. It can go back down because of the structure on 30 minutes, or it can push to the upside because the previous 2 hours very, very bullish. So in that case, you stay out. You don't take the trade. Does it make sense? Let me know if it makes sense. I'm currently in Euro USD buys. Hey, Euro USD buys, bro. Let me see. From where? Let's see where your buys are, and then I'll show you how you got your trade. 15.75. Let's see. Let's put a level of support there. 15.750. Oh, those are nice buys, G. Those are fire. Hold that thing. Those are dope. All it's doing now is retracing on the 15 minutes. You're still nice. If you got in here, you're still sharp. You're still good, bro. Ah, I see how you got in. You got in here based on the 1 hour. There's the low, there's the high. That's a nice trade, bro. Price came in. There's a nice entry. Yeah, it should continue pushing to the upside, especially if the dollar is still bearish and pushing to the downside. Still looks good. Still looks good. Guys that don't trade. Where the hell is this thing? This thing mustn't give us stories, bro. It must close above. We need this thing to close above here, bro. If it closes above, we're gonna fire this thing up. We need this 4 hour here that's gonna close in the next 31 minutes to just close above that level of support. It'll be a very, very nice buy. And you can make some nice money on GBP, JPY, guys. You can open nice lot sizes on this. So if you don't do gold, what will you be trading? I'm trading where I'll trade where I see a nice setup, bro. That's 100% correct, G-Wagon. Go check what G-Wagon said. Once, like from everything we looked at, I like to, of course, to trade gold. I like to trade NASDAQ. I like to trade US 13. But if they're not giving me a good entry, I'm not going to force myself to trade that thing. You understand? And that's what you guys need to learn. I keep telling you guys, stop forcing yourself to trade something when there's no entry. That's why you guys take unnecessary losses. Because even when there's no trade, just because you like that thing, you're going to trade it. And that's why you lose money. Trade where you see clean price action. From everything we went over, what's giving us clean structure is a currency pair. So if a currency pair is giving me a clean structure, it's going to give me a potential entry. I'm going to monitor and focus on this until I see, okay, maybe gold starting to settle down and then give me clean structure there. Then I can look for an entry there. But I can't just come on stream and just because I like trading gold, just start sending gold signals, but there's no clean opportunity to trade. You understand? That's why people lose money. You think as soon as it's 10 o'clock, it's London Open, I must take a trade on gold. That time gold is giving you mixed signals. And that's why you're losing money a lot of the times. Comes 3:30 because it's New York Open. Market's giving you mixed signals, but you still take a trade. That's why you're losing all the time. It's because you guys don't have patience. Can you check synthetics, G? Okay, let me try and open it here. I actually forgot how to go there. Let me try. Oh, shit. Nah. I think it's here. think it's here. Okay, let me call them. Oh, there we go. There we go. Can you guys see? There we go. Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, let's go here. There we go.
Dali,
Yes, sir.
can I just ask you, asking if you can inform all traders on stream?
Can I?
Inform all traders from Comit Capital in the next few minutes. A very, 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 very important email is gonna drop. They must all check their email out.
Is it good news or bad news?
No, good news.
Oh,
It's a good thing, not a bad. It's a good thing. It's improvement.
it's improvement. Oh, so guys,
In the next few, it's important.
there's an important email that's gonna be sent through from Comit Capital in a few minutes.
In the next few minutes.
In the next few minutes, so just pay attention to your emails, and then yeah, you'll see. I don't know what it is, guys.
Yeah, it's good things, boys.
It's good things, baby.
Good
apparently,
things. Good
apparently, it's
things.
good things, baby.
It's good things.
So yeah, just pay attention to that, my guys. Okay, so this is dynamic 50, né? This is dynamic 50. Dynamic 50. This is my 4-1. Okay, let me go to my 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour time frame. I do see we are a bit bearish, right? Price is creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay, price is creating bearish structure. Okay, I can see that's the previous lower high and that's the lower low. Where we are currently could be the point where price wants to change direction and push to the downside, right? But we haven't seen any rejection or any slowdown of momentum just yet. So let me just put a level of resistance there. I can see we have something along here. Let me double click, go to properties, and then we make that a 000 level. 1, 2. Yeah, that's a nice level of resistance there. The price could potentially come up to and change direction. You guys can see how it was a level of a support here, and you guys can see what it a resistance there, right? If I go on to my 15-minute time frame, we are still bullish, right? So here we are still bullish. So what I will wait for here, right? For now, I won't take a sell just yet. I want to see if my 15-minute breaks structure and turns bearish. If that happens, then I'd look for potential selling opportunities, because higher time frame still bearish, right? Price can push up to this level, right? And then from here it can start changing direction, meaning from there you could start to see price come down and create lower lows and lower highs. And if that happens, then I'd look out for potential selling opportunities. If that doesn't happen, then I'll consider just continue buying, because remember, higher time frame is bearish, I do know that, but the retracement can go up even further, or it can even go ahead and break structure, especially with these synthetics. You do find that it doesn't necessarily always give you those retracements to our levels. Sometimes you can just continue going all the way up. So if I do want to take a sell, I want to see a break of structure on my 15-minute time frame. But for now, I'm chilling. But it will make sense if price does tap into this area here, right? Give us nice rejection, and then we see a break of structure, and then we'll take a sell. If that is the case, you can even sell to the next previous low, which is here. You can sell to that point there. That would be a huge ass trade, bro. You can make crazy money off that move. Are they giving us some? I don't know, bro, what they're giving. Gali, where do you analyze synthetics? I analyze on MetaTrader. This is MetaTrader, guys. This is MetaTrader. Biggest in the Gali. Away. As a bro, is there any free YouTube course that you can recommend? I'm not sure, bro. On any free courses. The problem with a lot of free courses, or the problem with learning of YouTube, is that there's so much information that people want to go and learn everything from everyone. That's the first problem. So a lot of the time, maybe my trading style and someone else's trading style is different, but you're trying to incorporate everyone's style into one. That's a huge red flag. You can't do that, because everyone got a different trading style, right? Number two, trading, as I always mention, it's not that people don't understand what support and resistance is, or what a FOB is. People understand what everything is, but the problem is you can't just learn of something pre-recorded. That's not mentorship, you understand? Because you can understand something, but your application might be incorrect. So if no one is there to correct you and correct your application, you're going to continue doing the wrong thing and expecting a different result, or the same thing and expecting a different result. But that the reason why it's not working is because you're applying it incorrectly. So sometimes it's small minor adjustments that you don't know you're doing incorrect, and you keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, and you don't understand why it's not working for you. You understand? So that's why you need someone to sit down and tell you, okay, this is what, change this, adjust this, do that. That's how you learn, and that's going to save you a lot of time, opposed to just keep watching the same video that you understand but you don't see what you're doing wrong when you're applying it. Let me know if it makes sense or no. So this is dynamic 50. Let's see dynamic 100. I see dynamic 100 broke berry structure, 4 hours broken structure. Let's see what's happening on the daily. Daily, I mean, it's still bullish. Let's see weekly. Oh, weekly is bullish AF, boy. But on the 1 hour, we are bearish now. There's lots of bearish momentum. And with this here, you can take advantage of this here, but you don't have to be stuck in trades forever. Quick and fast, in and out. 10, 20 minutes, we're done. Let's see. That 500 is a nice psychological level. I'll be bearish on this here on the time frame that I'm looking at now, which is a 30-minute time frame. You guys can see prices creating lower lows and lower highs. This is a lower high that pushed out and created a lower low. Price could retrace now and give us a new lower high before pushing out and giving us a lower low. Hey, but I prefer dynamic 50, bruh. I prefer dynamic 50. How many of you guys are trading synthetics on Space? Let me know in the chat if you're trading it and if you're enjoying it. I know there's other stuff like Boost and stuff. I haven't tried them though. I'm chilling in Cape Town, waiting patiently. Yes, sir. I'm gonna pull through. Will we get an email from Comit Capital if we are a Space client? I think you have to have a Comit Capital account as well. 6,000 Rand on Dynamic 100 this weekend, Gali. This thing pays, bruh. Dynamic pays. And what's nice about this, once you get an entry, it just goes. If you get a clean entry, it goes, guys. I won't lie. See, like for example, here, right? Structure. There was a high, there was the low. That was the psychological level here, right? You guys can see how it acted as a resistance there, how it acted as a support. If you used your foot from this high and you dragged it down to that low, where did price come to? My hot zone, which is a psychological level of 30,000. Price came in, it just tapped once and you just entered there. It doesn't come back, bruh. It just goes, push down, bang. That's a massive, massive move. That's life-changing money if you went in hard. From here to there, it's crazy, crazy money. Remember, this is the 4-hour time frame I'm looking at. So, yeah, there's definitely gang money you can make here. Because once it rejects, a lot of the times it doesn't go. It doesn't go back. See, even here, once it rejects and wants to fall, it'll just fall, bro. So pay attention to your psychological levels, guys, on this. It's very, very important. Check here. Clean, clean, bang, clean, head on, gone. So that's why I'm saying I'm going to wait here and monitor this 28,000. I'm going to watch how price behaves there. And if I do get a rejection, I'm going to enter. Because it can tap into this and then just flow all the way down without even coming back up and wicking me out again. That's how dynamic 50 moves. It moves really, really nice. So pay attention to this here if you guys enjoy trading the way I trade in terms of the steps and stuff I use. You can make a lot of money trading this, guys. A lot of money. We got Chico in the chat. I just came on now. On too late for gold. I'll go back to gold. Seminar in Joburg. We did a seminar in Joburg, bro. We did a seminar in Joburg already. MetaTrader is shit to analyze. Yeah, it's shit. MetaTrader is cap to analyze, bruh. But ish, what can we do? Trading synthetics made quick money and a few withdrawals. But Pace 1 took me out. Hey, I haven't traded Pace, bruh. I've only traded Dynamic for now. I haven't traded that. Seminar in Josie, let's go. We already had one, Brian Joburg. We already had one, bro. Let me go back to the. Oh, you see now. This is where the problem. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's see how the year closes. I want the year to close above. If it closes above, we enter. If it doesn't, we chill. We chill. Let's see what's happening here with structure wise on this year. You guys can see it looks like we're breaking, or we've broken rather. 30-minute time frame will give us a clear indication. Yeah, you see that previous high is broken now, guys. We're above that level. 3S375. You know, it'd be nice if we can see a nice retracement from this low to that there. If we can see a nice retracement to this level of support here, where that 400 is, that would be nice. Because right price creating lower lows and lower highs. Higher high, higher low, a rejection for it to push up and create a higher high. That would be nice. That would be dope. But for now, let's wait it out. This is moving to the upside. Let's check if we can see what's happening on. Also bullish for now. Doubt this is going to come down anytime soon. Hey, guys, you know how strong psychological levels are. If you guys just know how to use it correctly, you guys are away. Check this level of 250. Low, high price came down, multiple rejections, gave us even a double bottom, and it's on its way to the upside. So those that joined the Durban course and those that are from my mentorship, the psychological levels, has it made a difference in your trading? Let me know in the chat. Chica, Bolas is in Joburg, guys. Shout out to Bolas is in Joburg. He came up with me yesterday, guys. Bolas is in Joburg for a couple of days. He was gaming, playing PlayStation the whole night last night. My wife woke up in the morning, the bro was still gaming, boy. I bought him Call of Duty, what, I don't know. He made me buy him something. He was gaming the whole night. My wife woke up, the bro still there gaming. Let's see what we can see. Yes, 100%. Yebo and synthetics chow, 100%. Yeah, let me know. Has such levels made a difference in your trading? Check Chico what he's saying now. He found Warzone, eh? So when is the next seminar in Joburg? Yo, I'm not sure when I'll do it in Joburg, guys. So I did a seminar in Joburg. Well, we did a seminar with the Comit Capital team. So myself, Safwan, and Shakir, we did one together a couple of months back. 3 months back, I think. We did it in Joburg. I haven't done my own seminar in Joburg. But yeah, maybe I'll look into it towards the end of the year. Marcy, psychological levels, 100% a game changer, bruh. Shout out my G. 100% made a difference. And you'll see it on the chart, but it's very, very clear. It's very, very, very clear. Oh, we got Kanye US30 in the chat, baby. You got Kanye US30 in the chat. We want Marcy now. We want you, Marcy. Now we've learned from Keys. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We did Keys one last year, November. Keys did one in Soweto. Yes, yes, I do remember that. That was also a nice success. Cape Town first, though. Yeah, we need to do Cape Town first. Let me ask them. Shaquille. Hey, but I'm honestly tired of flying up and down and driving up and down, guys. I won't lie. Yo, I was down this weekend. I'm going down next weekend for family holiday to Durban. Hey, I'm tired, bro. I'm not going to go down until... After this one, I'm not going to go down for a long time, bro. For a long ass time. Maybe I'll only go down again in December, bro. This thing of up and down, it's a long story. I don't like it. For the trendline traders, how's this one? We want the whole seminar. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna hook it up. But why is Kanye in the chat and not on stream? I don't know, boy. Have a seminar in Cape Town. I need some time away from the fro. We do Cape Town in October. Okay, let me ask them 1 second. Let me ask them. Let's see what they say. They say they want a seminar in Cape Town.
You know we'll do that.
Yeah, but when they're asking when, come tell them.
So, seminar is now August, né?
Mm.
What do you say? End of September. How does it sound? How do you feel?
August, October, no,
August, September. October, we can if you give us like it's already August already done. We can
we can't do August.
And in October we do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
End of October. So like
let's do it beginning of October.
Beginning of October, like the first week.
Yeah.
Let's see the thing quick here when it lands on there. Tuesday. So the Saturday is on the 3rd. That's nice.
So 3rd of October.
Yeah.
Ask them if they can do it.
We'll do it.
Gonna do it?
Yeah. I'm gonna push it through for you. Yeah.
We're
all gonna go though. All of us.
Yeah. That's like Comit capital.
Big 3, everyone.
Yeah. Let's do it.
I'll push it out.
Okay, we're gonna come in October, 3rd of October.
3rd of October.
3rd of October in Cape Town. 3rd of October in Cape Town, we're there. Let's do a trading camp. We can also do a trading camp for those while we're there as well. So we'll do the seminar. What's nice about a trading camp, we can even do it on weekends now because we can trade synthetics. Because a lot of the time, trading camp is hard because a lot of the time people work during the week. You understand? But what's nice now, with synthetics, we can trade every day. So we can even do Friday, we start off. Saturday, we'll all go to the seminar. Because of course, trading, if you do the trading camp, it's not going to be open to everyone, right? We'll see how we're going to get that done. So we can do Friday. We come there, people after work, whatever the case is, or they take the day off, I don't know how you're going to do it. We come there, we start trading. Saturday, we all go for the seminar. From there, we go back, continue trading. Sunday, trade as well, and then everyone goes home on Sunday evening. That would be dope. That would be a dope-ass trip. October 2nd is NFP. Imagine, brah. That would be nice. A synthetic camp. That guy, nah, man, he's just joking. That old man, he's just joking, bro. He actually messaged me, asked me, bro, do you mind if I post this? I'm like, nah, she'll go for it. He's just joking. He's just joking. We're just messing around with each other. But I can still catch the smoke, though. Trading while sipping Henny. We can't arrange for that. if we do the trading camp, and that's okay, so I know for the seminar we'll get people that one account, right? But if we do the trading camp, how many of you guys will be interested in joining? And what will be the, because of course we can't take every single one. There has to be like some sort of criteria to join for that. If you protect your name us no matter what, I appreciate that, my G. Shout out, my bro. Shout out, my G. Yo, people are laughing at the delivery bread, the bread story. What you think about sales at... What pair are you looking at, bro? Oh, gold. That's definitely gold with those prices. Ish. You mean the previous high? You're looking at which here, right? It is possible, right? It can spike up to the previous high before pushing to the downside. But I don't like to enter if it's not a psychological level, man. I like only entering at psychological level. Sometimes I'll even see a trade, and just because it's not on a psychological level, I won't take the trade. And it'll go as anticipated, but I don't enter because it's one of my rules. And I try to stick by that, man. I want to see that rejection of the psychological levels. I want to see that. So it'll make sense based on structured 30-minute. It'll be pushed up to the previous high, reject previous high, and push down. That makes a lot of sense, but I wouldn't take the trade personally. But it's not a bad trade, as I say. In for the trading camp. They're like a bear. Camps Bay House Showcase, Camps Bay only, baby. When are we doing it? So, well, they said, you guys saw, don't say I'm lying there. They said. What did they say, boy?
That's happened.
Huh?
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah, of course. Don't stress. When we wanted to do a seminar in Cape Town, but we wanted to do
Come in
this.
front so they can see you. They need to see you, baby.
What happening here?
What's happening, baby?
Are you guys happy to have Marcelino back?
Gee, I didn't go.
No,
boy.
you gone for flipping 5 days.
Gee,
bro. It's long.
I'm
bro.
back, baby.
Back. I was getting depressed, bro.
Okay, you missed me.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just not normal to have you on for like a few days. Yeah.
Oh, there's a move. 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 The move is on. In the next 3 minutes, let's see. Yeah, so what are you saying, Bruce? Sorry about that.
Nah, so what we're gonna do is we'll do a seminar in Cape Town. I'm gonna confirm the dates today, but I'm gonna push for the 3rd of October. So it'll be around the first week. Of course, with the 3rd of October is best because on a Saturday and it's the first week of the month.
And guess what? On the 2nd is NFP.
What?
Yep.
So what if we in Cape Town that time then?
Yes, we're gonna be in Cape that time.
So we're gonna have something something.
We wanna do a trading camp. So on Friday, we're gonna trade with people live.
A training camp. We're
Yes,
not
at the house.
Boot camp.
No, at the house.
So we'll have.
At the house. Of course, that's not gonna be open for everyone.
I think this is a good.
Then from there, everyone from the house we go to
seminar
on Saturday. From the seminar we go back home, Brian, and we continue trading to the weekend.
Boy, that's the one.
Only good things.
That's the one, boys.
Only good things, baby.
That's the one. Okay, so we have a boot camp, a trading boot with Marcelino. You'll have also the keys will be there hopefully, and Kanya.
I don't know what keys.
I don't know, but I'm saying hopefully. But I know Kanya, he will pull through, and then you guys can experience the guys there as well.
Let us know who you want to come and teach, guys. Like who
wants to come teach? They must come teach who.
No, I'm saying like who you want at the seminar. Let us know who you want.
Oh yeah,
so then we'll push them. Arrange with those traders, and then we'll see. Let us know who you guys are looking forward to see.
They said they want creamers.
Only creamers, baby. Only creamers.
Minimum funding.
Yeah, of course we have to have minimum funding for the. Well, the seminar is free for everyone.
I mean,
but
you can't come to an NFP place at a flipping villa mentioning in Camps Bay or something like Clifton, and you don't want to come with a fund account.
Yes, you can. What's up, my G?
You
good?
Yeah, that's a story.
Did you see the email?
No, let me see.
I don't know if you got the first batch.
Let me see if anything's good.
Batches, but big things are happening, boys.
Wait, I didn't get an email.
Did you get an email? So we're probably not part of the batch.
So there's 12,000 in the first batch. So, you know.
Let me see the email.
Nothing came through my side as well.
Okay.
It's great news, baby.
Super.
It's good news.
You joking?
Worldwide.
Oh,
It's
okay.
international levels. It's international levels. That's what it is.
Hey, whenever I come on, there's good things, baby. Whenever I'm
It's
here, there's good
international
things,
levels,
baby.
boys.
Whenever I'm here, there's good things.
And if it's good news, right? Well, these actually.
Okay, let's see what they want. Okay, so they want. Carly, can you explain? Okay, Dr. Martin. They want Alex.
Alex.
They want Alex in Cape Town.
Yeah, boy.
Alex don't even have a bath.
Boy. You know the vibes. Alex is always here, boys.
It's a good thing, man. It's a good
And I'm
thing.
looking good again, baby.
Brief busters, baby. Goat Andy, Keys. Okay, I'll speak to Keys.
Bro,
Andy.
iconic Everest.
Hey, I can't get it. It's good, oh, bro.
Yeah, you chasing clean, man.
Yeah, that's my G.
You actually withdraw is nice.
He kills it. Psych levels on the dollar, please. It's 250, 750, 500, 000.
They want me in Limpopo, my guy.
Limpopo.
They want Alex in Limpopo.
See,
Yeah.
Alex don't buy.
Back to Limpopo. Back to
Alex
Limpopo.
don't buy.
Guys, the people you're recommending have to be in the space team, guys, not from
Read
space.
this. No, read this son out loud.
Alex don't bath, baby.
Nah, I bought, baby. I bought, baby.
Alex don't bath, baby.
Baby, look at how fresh and clean, boy.
Alex don't bath, baby.
Boy. I have to
You want
take
the
a
whole team, Gali?
You have to take a video that you're saying Alex don't boss.
Alex don't bath, baby.
You say Alex don't boss. That's crazy,
We
word.
want the biggest in the Gali. I'm there, showcase.
Just
Alex don't bath, baby. Hashtag Alex don't bath, baby.
Alex don't buy.
Hashtag Alex
Alex
don't bath, baby.
Baby, I'm the cleanest.
Alex don't bath, baby.
Alexandra, can you send Martin an email to his
Can you see me
Hashtag
your
Alex don't
No.
mvalaya@gmail.com.
Can you
Alex don't bath, baby.
Can you please send me your email on WhatsApp?
mvalaya@gmail.com. msurname@gmail.com. Send some money to. If you have an FNB account, I can send you that too. Hashtag Alex don't bath, baby. I can ask Iconic, bro. That's a good friend of mine. The old trades, bro. He trades synthetics very nice. He's very good. So, in 1 minute and 33 seconds, we're going to need this 1 hour candle to close above this level here before entering. If it doesn't, there's no trade, bro. What can we do? We need to close above there. In 1 minute. It's possible, but I don't see it happening now. Based on the time. But yeah, if this here close above that blue line, enter GJ. But it's very hard, I will tell you. My account is already funded. Alex says he parts, I believe him. Yeah. Dirtiest in the gully.
Isn't it Dirty Alley?
Yeah? Smelly alley, baby. It's smelly alley. Alex don't bad, baby. Gold is closing below my level. You are joking, boy. No, it's not, man. My level is here. My level is 4350. My level is 4350, bro. You need to close below. You see what I was saying, guys? I could have came on and then I give you buy or sell signal. Nothing would have happened, bro. We would have been stuck here. Because remember, as I mentioned, the 2 hour time frame. The 2 hour time frame is bullish. The 30-minute time frame is bearish. So there's not much happening. So whatever I came on, if I said anything here, we are just going to be stuck in the center in drawdown. There's no trade. Even if you look at the indices as well. See? What are we going to take here? What was I going to say that is going to make us money? Nothing. Look at 1, 2, 3. So these are the last 4 candles. You get me? So sometimes you must just wait it out, guys. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Let me go back to GJ and see if there's anything there. Nah, no trade yet. No trade yet, no trade yet. But I'm going to monitor this for the rest of the day. I'm actually looking forward to jump onto this. But let's see the 4 hour. Nah, 4 hour doesn't look good now. It's underneath my resistance, no trade. Now, the next potential entry is here. That's the next potential entry at 500, the previous low. That, in fact, will even be a better trade because the risk and reward on the sale. Look at this. Because stop loss is still where it needs to be, right? But look at your entry. Risk and reward 1:5, 1:6. That's nice. Alex always clean. Now it's a waiting game. Yep, it's a waiting game. Give me Alex an onion sack. Alex, you know what's an onion sack, baby?
What did they say?
You know what's an onion sack?
An onion sack.
Sack.
Did you get your email?
You see, Alex is always clean. Alex
Do you
says
know
he
what's an
best, I
onion sack?
believe him.
What?
Alex, don't
Do you
know.
know what's an onion sack?
It's onions.
No, I don't know what it
You
is.
know where you
covered
keep
onion
onions? That comes in that orange sack.
Yeah, the orange
Like
juice
a
or-
net.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They say you must pass with that. That's how dirty you are, boy. That thing must scrub you.
Boy,
Check
what
it
are you
out.
starting here, Marcy, boy?
Hashtag Smelly Ali in the chat.
Starting here, Mikhail, boy.
Huh?
Check if you got email.
You see, Alex always clean. There we go. Alex is always fresh, boy. They know.
I didn't. I didn't get an email.
No, wait, it's coming. Boy.
Must I open it while I'm on live?
Yeah, you're gonna open it and read it to the chat.
Yeah.
Nothing came yet. Still waiting. Nothing's here.
Alex must have a bucket bath.
He must put Alex in Sambrani, baby.
You know what, chat? And the crazy thing is, you know I smell the goodest right here
You
now.
crazy!
Robbie, boy, this the skins on me, boy. Look at the fresh. This top is like 3K, boy.
What? You lie, don't lie.
Boy,
Don't cap.
everything is fresh, yeah, boy.
I'm trying to mix.
Alex, you need to have Sambrani about that, eh?
Guys, I think Marcy doesn't bath. That's
You
why he likes to
crazy,
judge
boy.
other
I'm the
people.
cleanest, baby. I'm the cleanest, boy. You already know. I don't have
Marcy
to tell
must
you.
bath 3 times a day, boy.
You know me. I'm clean, baby. The chat already knows, boy.
No, I'm not taking it personal.
The chat-
I know I'm joking.
What's that?
I'm laughing.
There's no email, but
It still hasn't
When
gone.
it does come through.
Yeah, Alex is
I
fresh,
got you again.
boy. Yo, boy, you can see.
I got you, boy. But it must come through.
Okay.
So you said I got it.
I didn't. I don't know if somebody's talking about emails though. Maybe it's my emails, bruh. Guys, apparently it's some like good news for Comit, bruh. I'm waiting to see what it is. Has anyone received the mail? Let me know if anyone has received the mail. Marcy, what's happening with the old bro? I saw the Verulam O's, bro. What's happening in Verulam there, guy? Who's from Verulam? Who stays in Verulam? Let me know. Please check USD JPY. Okay, let me check that. Guys, who stays in Verulam? Let me know in the chat. Oh, there's nice sales in with this, guys. Nice sales on this. Let me check. Is it 250? Wait for it to come to 250. Wait for rejection and sell. Wait for it to come to 250 and then you can take a sell. But that's based on 15-minute time frame. Oh shit, but this is the problem. Oh wait, hold up. Nah, wait, hold on. Don't take anything now because 15-minute is bearish, but lower time frame is still technically bullish. So you need to wait it out. And with a strong level of support. Now wait it out, guys. Wait this one out. But I mean, it can fall to this level here. But that's like a 25 pip move. Okay, let's wait. Maybe I'll take it with you guys. Let's find a small account. Let's see. I'll wait for another 5 minutes. If it comes up here and rejects, we're gonna sell from 250 to this level here. Quick 25 pips. Going hard. I'll tell you when. Let's wait and see. I want it to come up here to this previous high. It must reject, and then we'll take a sell. Quick and fast. Let's see what we can see. High, low. I want it to come to that level of resistance, and then I want it to sell. So I want something like this. But only if we see rejection. Like that. From there to there. Must go in very hard. Look at honestly, the 27 is lining up with this level of the psychological level. So something like so. That clean berry structure. Let's see. USD JPY closed. Yeah, it closed. There's no entry. There's no we're not entering. Those are shaking on the graves, bruh. So, bruh, what's happening there, bruh? Have you ever thought of doing an online seminar like you did on Zoom? I haven't, I haven't. I think it's better in person, like when you're having a seminar. Ask Brandon, he must have got the first email. Brandon, you got the email, baby. But I didn't get any email, dog.
Brandon from Durban.
No, from
my
Joe.
best friend.
No, no.
Boy, are you also getting sick?
Yeah, I'm sick.
Ay, come on, guys. I can't. Sorry, chat. I'm out of here. Everybody's sick. Bossman's sick. This one's sick.
Yeah, I'm getting sick, baby.
Baby.
I'm gonna park for 5 minutes. If it doesn't come up in 5 minutes, I'm gonna buy, man. I'm gonna buy and see what I can't see. No mail yet, bruh. This is USD JPY, my G. Correct. We coming up on Cape Town on the 3rd of October. 3rd of October, we're there in Cape Town. I'm gonna make it happen, don't stress. Third of October. So there's something happening with Comit Capital. I don't know. There's some good news. I don't know. There's some really good news, boys. That's what I'm hearing. You see, it's coming up slowly. Yes, this is USD JPY, but it says it here, bro. It says exactly what it is here, my G. Look. It says it here, G. Look, this is what it says here. So what do you think it is, bro? Because look here. Check that. That's what it is, G. It says right there. It says right there exactly what it is, bro. Can you check? Cape Town bros are waiting. Yeah, we're going to come through to Cape Town 3rd of October. Don't make any plans. The plans is already set. We're coming to Cape Town. But can you check it there? Everyone can see it, bro. Even if you don't see it there, you'll see it here. Check there. Check here, bro. It says it right here, bro. Everything is right here, G. You get me? Why are you laughing? Oh, you need to buy Specsavers. Marcy, can you please do another lesson on lower time frame trading? I will, bro. Okay, I will. Are you in which group are you on? So I know which group to do it on. Okay, I'm gonna check EuroCAD quickly and then I'm gonna head out, boys. But yes, G, before you think, it's USD JPY, G. It's right over there. So even if I go to the next chart, let me show you. If I go to the next chart, it will show you same story. Check that. It shows you right there. It will always be right here. Whatever I'm looking at, you will see right here. Only if I'm looking at better trade, it won't show. But other than that, you will find it right here. Check here. Let me show you. Go to the next one. You find it here. All the time. EuroCAD. Let me check EuroCAD quickly. EuroCAD is bullish. Check that, EuroCAD. EuroCAD is bullish. Price is creating higher highs, higher lows. Is a nice level of support here. That was a previous level of resistance. Psychological level of 750. That's nice. That's dope. Let's go into a lower time frame. Lower time frame, bullish as well. We've taken out that high, which is good. We have hit some sort of resistance here, which is a psychological level, but overall still very, very bullish for me. I do believe that I did say this the other two group as well. Momentum usually breaks through strong levels. So if the market is bullish overall, you might find it stalling, but eventually it should break through if momentum is strong enough. What I'd wait for here, bro, I'd wait for price to come back down to this level of support. Because there's no psychological levels within between this level here and here. This is the 25 pip gap. And if I go into my lower time frame and if I use my FUB from this low to that high, right? So from that low there of that week to that high of that week, you guys can see that the 78.6 level is lining up nicely. So what I'd wait for is price to do something like so. Let me show you. Wait for price to do something like so. I want it to come down here, it must reject, and then from there it must push up like so. Yeah, that's how it must do. That's what it must do. I'm not sure if you're going to get that deep retracement, but that's the only point I'd look at jumping into this trade if I'm not in already. But definitely buys on this only for now. Make sense? Let me know in the chat. I did check GBP USD, but at the beginning of the... Hey, we missed AUD USD buys. Let me check quickly. AUD USD. Hey, no, we didn't. We can still enter. Yeah, we can enter this, bro. Shout out my G. Shout out my... Oh, we can enter this, bro. This is a nice buy, bro. Guys, there's nice buys. AUD USD buys. You can buy this thing. It'll be nice if it comes back and tap into you and reject, but it's still fine. Clean buys on this. Let me check one daily. Yeah, it's not a bad buy. Let me go into 1 hour or lower time frame. Lower time frame also broken structure. Yep, you guys can, yeah, you can buy, you can jump in these buys, guys. Not bad buys. AUD USD buys, not bad buys at all. See how nice clean structure. Price is creating nice higher highs and higher lows. Bang, higher high, higher low for it to push up and create a higher high. Not a bad buy at all, guys. Not a bad buy at all. If you guys want to jump in, you guys can. But yeah, that's all for me, guys. I'm out. I catch you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. And yeah, let's hope we can't see. Pay attention to those mails as well, guys. There's some good news coming out apparently on Comit Capital. I don't know what it is, so I'm also looking forward to see what it is. But yeah, God bless you guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.